So today I'm going to show you how to create your own interactive recipe, starting with the the template that was provided to you. So you're going to be two in this document, your partner and yourself. Because I'm alone, I don't see another person here, but when you're two, you can see the other person moving around as well. So what you're going to want to do, I clicked here to have the little zoom so I can see more clearly. You're going to want to replace this image with an image from your own recipe. To do so, you click on the image and you'll use the little replace button, and then you can search for images here if you know what image you want to put there, or you can always get it from your device, so from the pictures that you have downloaded somewhere else. Also, you're going to want to come here, write the preparation, the steps to the preparation. 3 other things that you have to do would be to change these 3 little dots here. The first one is for the cooking time. So I'll click on it and I see that I have an interactivity that was put there. So I'll click on this one and I'll see what's written. So it's 20 minutes for my recipe, but maybe for yours it will be different. So you'll change the time. For the second one, it's a window. So if you click on window, you'll see the ingredient list. So if you want to change it for yours, you'll click on edit, you'll change the list, and then you'll exit right here. And the last one is a picture of your recipe, or it could be a picture of your ingredients. So mine was the ingredient first and then the recipe. So if I click on window, I see I have my recipe right here. Once again, you click on the picture and you click replace to replace this recipe. So that's all that you have to do for this activity, and you have to collaborate. So some of you will do some of the task and others will do other tasks. Thank you.